Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Canva design templates for local business flyers. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to www.canva.com. If you don't have an account, sign up for free. Once logged in, click on the search bar at the top of the page. Type flyer into the search bar and press enter. You'll see a variety of flyer templates tailored for different occasions and businesses. Browse through the options and select a template that suits your local business. Click on the template to open it in the Canva editor. On the left side, you'll see a panel with various customization options. Start by clicking on the text boxes in the template. Update the text with your own business name and details. Make sure to include your address, contact information, and any promotional content. Next, customize the fonts to match your brand style. Click on the text box, then choose the font drop-down from the top menu. Select a font that aligns with your business's image. To change colors, click on the text color icon in the top menu. Choose colors that reflect your brand identity. Now, let's update any images in the template. Click on the existing image and hit the delete key. Then, go to the left panel and click on Photos or Uploads. Upload any images related to your business or select, drag and drop your chosen image into the template. Resize or reposition it by clicking and dragging the corners. For added visuals, consider incorporating icons or illustrations. Use the Elements tab on the left panel to find suitable graphics. Search for icons that complement your flyer's message and drag them into place. Once you're satisfied with your design, review all elements for alignment. Make sure the text is readable and the images are sharp. When everything looks good, click on the Share button in the top right corner. Select the download option to save your design. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.